Alright, I wanted to give you guys an update of what's going on. So with the flight suit done, I'm starting to work on the armor. And as you can see here, this is the chest armor right side. Now I've yet to cut it out, but here's the left side, the belly armor, the collar. I also have both the shoulders, and over there is the back and cod piece. They're just taped together. Now I did use, hold on a second. Let's come over here, swing over here. I used I'll put a link down in the description, but it was off the Dented helmet, as you can see here. Printable armor templates in various sizes by Wizard of Light, as you can see there. And there's all different sizes, and basically according to your height you go with that. And the way this is, if we can come in here, it is like 5'6", 5'5" to 5'6", like 5'4". But there we go. So I printed those out on my heavy duty cardstock paper and then cut them out. All right, I'm getting handed a cat.
That's because he's jumping on the counter.
Shadow. There you go. Come up here. Come play up here, big boy. You want to say hi to the peoples? Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Sit. Come on. Sit. There we go. But there you go. There's an update. I printed this out. I will be pinning this to the armor to take and size it once I get it all cut out. But there we go. Alright, here's another update for you. So I cut out all the pieces here, laid them out, and roughly pinned them in place so we'd take a look at it, see how they fit, and this is like the perfect size. Oh yeah, as you can see, it's not perfect as where they're attached, but like I say, it's rough pinned in. So there you go. All I gotta do is start cutting it out and then attaching it. Alright, here's an update. I got all the pieces cut out, and what I did was I did 3 layers of it, each one. So that will be about .3/16 of an inch thick, armor wise. So my current plan is, of course, I gotta sand all the edges and take the all this off the sand all this off the back. But once I do all that, my thought process is to take 2 of these. So let's see here, 2 layers, and basically drill a hole in here, then take one of my rivets, that'll work, put it through here, and rivet it together. So it's riveted through the fabric. I got an example right here. So basically I would take and put a washer on the back with the fabric in there under the washer. Then rivet it together. Then for the top layer, I would basically bevel out a hole, you see like there, on the finished layer, and it would go like that. I glue it together and then take and like Bondo this hole and sand that flush. That's my current thought process. And if it's, you know, the hole's beveled, it'll actually form fit within this hole the way I want it to, and it'll basically lock it in place, as you can see here. It almost locks in place. And that would give me a nice, smooth, finished edge. But I got all the pieces cut out, and they were almost exactly to my size, because I pinned the fabric or the paper patterns back there to the flak vest, tried it on, and everything fit. So now it's just doing the hard pieces. And I think adding a washer in here is going to be the smartest idea. So then this would mount up flush against the flak vest. And then a washer on the back. I don't know. I might not have long enough shanked rivets. This part right here. I might need to go longer. I don't know. Alright, but that's my current thought process. Alright, well, there's an update.